Hey girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some very simple Valentine's Day nail art. I do already have the base of my nails done. These are dip powder nails. I did use the color beige pink, which is number 20. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using the gel art collection. This is the Glow the Night collection, 12 different colors of gel art liners. They're 10-free, non-toxic, highly pigmented, cruelty-free, and vegan. Feel free to pause if you would like to see the back of the box. I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. Here's what it looks like once you take off the box. These are the gel liners. They do have the swatch on the lid. This just shows you the color of gel inside of the bottle. I really love this. It's a very nice touch to these gel liners. These gel liners are numbered on the back so you know which is which. I'm going to go ahead and take out all of the gel liners. So those are all of the gel liner colors. I am going to organize them in rainbow order. I find this a lot more satisfying to swatch when they're in a color order. So once I have all of the gel liners laid out, I'm going to be swatching them on this swatch stick. I'm not going to be doing it on the nail portion. I am going to be doing the nail swatches on the handle portion because I find that it's going to save me a lot of nail swatches, and I really don't want to be wasteful when swatching out these liners. So this is the first one that I'm going to be swatching. This is number 12. This is the most red gel polish liner in this collection. So as you can see, the brush on this liner is very thin and small. That's exactly what you want when you're looking for a good gel liner. So I'm going to go ahead and do a horizontal line on the handle of the nail swatch. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch out all of the other gel liner colors the same way that I just swatched the first one. So here are the gel liner colors. You get a very good variety of colors. I'm going to go ahead and cure under the nail lamp. I did turn the lights off because these liners do glow in the dark, so here's what they look like as they're glowing. I love all of the colors in this collection. So here are the swatches after they've been cured in the light. I do really love all of these colors, so let's go ahead and pick some out for today's manicure. So these are the colors I'm going to be using. I did pick all of the reds, orange, and pinks in this collection. So for this design, I'm using number 12, 8, 2, 11, and 9. Of course, you can pick any colors of your choice. I'm also going to be using this nail palette to place some of the gel polish on. I will be using one of these dotting tools. I'm going to go ahead and pick out the green one because that's the one that I want to use. So as I said, I do already have the base of my nails done. I do have the no wipe gel top coat over top of the dip powder. I personally love to do nail art over a very smooth surface, so this is my preference for doing nail art. I'm going to start with number 9, which is the pinkest color in this gel liner collection. I'm going to add a little bit of this polish onto the nail palette to easily pick up with the dotting tool. Using the bigger side of the dotting tool, I'm going to pick up the pink gel polish, and I'm going to be doing some dots on the pinky nail. I am placing these dots side by side because I'm going to be creating hearts from the dots. Once I have those two dots that are side by side, I'm going back with the gel liner and I'm going to remove all of the excess polish from the brush. When using these gel liners, you do want to make sure to clean off the stem of the brush very well, otherwise the polish will drip down the brush. After removing the excess polish, I'm going to complete the heart design by drawing a small point underneath those dots. That is the finished heart, so I'm going to go ahead and do more hearts over top of the entire nail. I continued to add more hearts until I filled up the entire pinky nail. I personally did them in all directions. I did not have any specific direction to place the hearts. You can do this however you like. You can do them as big or as small as you want. You can also put as many or as few hearts as you like. Another good nail art design idea that you could do that's very similar to this is before you draw on the hearts, you want to apply a matte top coat to the nails, and then you can draw your hearts on with the gel liners. But before you cure the hearts under the nail lamp, you would take the clear dip powder and pour that over top of the wet gel. That would create a sugared effect with the hearts. I think that nail art design would be so cute, and honestly I wish I would have tried it for this design. So once I have all of the hearts on the nail like I want, I'm going to take this nail lamp that came in the mini gel tip kit and I'm going to go ahead and cure the nail under the lamp. Since these liners are gel, you do need to cure them under the UV LED nail lamp to cure them into place. For the next nail, I am taking the other pink gel liner. This is number 11, and I'm going to be doing the exact same thing for the ring fingernail. I did want to do a gradient nail design with these hearts, so that is why I'm using a lighter shade of pink for the next nail. I'm also not placing the hearts in the same area that I did the pinky nail because I don't want the nails to look exactly the same. I do want them to have a good amount of randomness to them, so I'm just placing the hearts wherever I feel like I want them. This nail art design is also very beginner friendly, so if you're just starting to do your own nails, this is the perfect nail design for you to try. It's very simple. It is just a little bit time consuming to draw all of the little hearts. I do want to go ahead and apologize that I'm not going to be talking too much during this video, and the reason for that is this nail design is really pretty and very simple, so it's not too much to describe what's going on during these steps, and it's just very repetitive. I don't really know what else to talk about, so this video is going to be a little bit less talkative than my usual videos. But I still hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you are enjoying it so far, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Once I have all of the hearts on the ring fingernail, I'm going to go ahead and cure under the nail lamp. For the next nail, which is the middle fingernail, I'm going to take the other pink color. This is number 2, and I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did for the other nails. This color has a little bit more of a coral type color, which is going to blend very nicely with the color for the index nail. Once I have all of those hearts, I'm going to cure under the nail lamp. For the next nail, I'm taking the orange gel liner, which is number 8, and again, I'm going to be repeating the exact same thing for this design as well. Once I have those hearts, I'm going to cure under the nail lamp. For the last nail, I'm taking the red gel liner, which is number 12, and I'm going to be doing the same thing for this nail as well. After I have those hearts, I'm going to cure under the nail lamp. After all of the hearts are cured into place, I'm going to take the No Wipe top coat from the Premium Jelly Liquid Kit, and I'm going to be applying this onto all of the nails. I personally love finishing my manicures with a gel top coat. I feel like it gives the nails a very smooth surface and a beautiful shine that lasts. Once the top coat has been applied to all of the nails, I'm going to cure under the nail lamp for 1 minute. After the nails are cured, I'm going to take the cuticle oil, which is number 6, and I'm going to apply this to all of the cuticles. It is important to rehydrate your skin after your manicures. And here are the nails. I really love how this design came out. I think these colors go very nicely together as a gradient. I love the hearts so much. It's so cute and perfect for Valentine's Day. Here are the nails as they're glowing in the dark. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!